Hey, what's up, YouTube? Ping on probation. Me and Big Woody have found a glitch on Dead Island on how to get on top of these rocks. So, he's just gonna lead the way, and I'm gonna follow him. Go ahead. What is that noise? Do you hear it? Oh, it sounds like barrels hitting each other. Alright, so here's the waterfall, like where the water spawns. Just kinda out of the rocks. And then take him to the other spot. I forgot how to get up here. There we go. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, dude, it's like barrels someplace. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's where you can walk, right there, and right over there. There's a lighthouse. And then there's this little rock. Oh, I almost fell. You can, like... Did you fall? Hold on. I'm gonna do my little Assassin's Creed thing over here. Oh, whoa, I almost fell. No, I almost... Oh, man. Oh, you're right there. I was gonna go to my little spot right here. And then that's the little water place, like in the gameplay video. Dude, I'm scared I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna die on YouTube. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's where you can walk to, like, there's a zombie right there. I missed. I missed again. There we go. Oh, yeah, I gotta get my little... Yeah, is that it? That's it, huh? Here, hurry up and get back over here so we don't... Where? Oh, did you survive? Here, just come back up. Just come back up and then we'll end the video once we do the one thing. Such a fail trying to get back up here. Alright, ready? Wait. Oh yeah. Woody fell off, well, slid down the rock and ended up on the bottom, so he has to get back up here again. Where is he? There you are. I think we are the first ones to find this, but... Well, Oh, whoa, almost... Alright, come back up to the rock so we can... Did you really fall? Did you die? How do you survive those? I died last time. Really? That's dumb. Yeah, we're going on 4 minutes, 37 seconds. I think it's 10 minutes you can go. Oh, son. Are you serious? Better hurry up. I don't want to go to, like, 8 minutes on this video. Maybe I shouldn't have told you were getting on YouTube. I'm right here. We'll do it right in front of the ocean and island. Hold on. No, you gotta come over here. I don't want to go over there. We gotta do the one thing before I end it. Okay, ready? Alright. Hugs. Hugs. Alright, YouTube, we'll see you later. We're gonna have a moment right here. Peace.